Okay, I'm going to show you how to reorder your courses when you have a long list of courses and the ones you need easy access to are too far down. So when I click on courses here, I can only see 12. But if I click on my courses here, you can easily see my list of courses is far more than 12. Okay. If the courses I want easy access to are not on those 12, I can click this, which is reorder courses. And these are exactly in the order they appear. So I'm going to go down and say I want this common planning to show up higher in my list. So I'm going to take it, drag it up past here, and I want it to be one of the early things, so I'm going to put it up here. Notice it says here, courses that appear below this line will not appear in the course dropdown. So anything below here is not going to show up, and that's a lot of courses. So ideally, you organize your courses so your most often accessed courses are in the top 12.